Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork guisantes. Start by trimming and cutting pork into 1-inch pieces, season with salt and pepper, and heat oil in a wide pan until shimmering. Brown pork in batches to build flavor, then remove and sauté onions and garlic. Add sofrito, diced tomatoes, peas, and chicken broth, return pork, simmer gently until sauce thickens and meat is tender, then finish with cilantro. Use medium-high heat to properly brown pork and develop rich flavor through Maillard reaction, then deglaze immediately with chicken broth to capture those brown bits. Lower heat to maintain a gentle simmer, and avoid covering the pan so the sauce can reduce and concentrate flavors. Taste and adjust salt near the end, and finish with a squeeze of lime or a sprinkle of cilantro for brightness that complements the savory pork, and this dish pairs beautifully with fluffy white rice, warm tortillas, or crusty bread to mop up the sauce, and it holds well in the fridge for up to 4 days. Cool guisantes quickly before transferring to airtight containers to maintain texture and safety. When reheating, warm slowly and add a splash of water or broth if the sauce has thickened, and garnish with fresh cilantro for a lift before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.